When people think about the greenest places in Nigeria, their mind often goes straight to forests, national parks, or rural communities hidden deep within the rainforest belt. But some Nigerian cities have managed to preserve remarkable levels of greenery despite rapid urbanization. These cities stand out because of three-lined roads, urban forest, parks, wetlands, surrounding rainforest, and overall vegetation cover. They offer cooler environments, cleaner air, richer biodiversity, and in many cases, a higher quality of life. However, ranking the greenest cities in Nigeria is not straightforward. There is no official national index that measures urban greenery across all Nigerian cities. Therefore, this ranking combines factors such as natural vegetation within and around the city, urban tree cover, presence of forest wetlands and green belts, climatic conditions that support lush vegetation, satellite and GIS studies on vegetation cover, historical urban planning practices. According to studies on urban greenery and vegetation, mapping cities such as Enugu, Port Harcourt, Abuja, and Calabar possesses significant urban vegetation, while southern rainforest cities naturally benefit from some of the highest rainfall levels in the country. Research on Enugu's green spaces and studies on urban forestry in Port Harcourt further demonstrate the importance of vegetation within these cities. Today, we rank 5 Nigerian cities that are among Nigeria's greenest in the country. At number 5, we have Port Harcourt, the Garden City. Port Harcourt has carried the nickname Garden City for decades. Located within Nigeria's humid Niger Delta region, the city naturally enjoys abundant rainfall and conditions favorable to vegetation growth. Historically, planners incorporated trees and green spaces into major districts, especially the government-reserved areas, commonly known as GRA. Despite industrialization and urban expansion, Port Harcourt still contains significant urban vegetation. Studies on urban forestry in Port Harcourt reveal that trees are widely planted along streets, public spaces, institutions, residential areas, and commercial districts. Researchers found that urban trees contribute to temperature moderation, environmental protection, aesthetics, biodiversity, conservation, and improved quality of life. One major advantage Port Harcourt enjoys is its location within the rainforest zone. Palm trees, ornamental species, mangrove, wetlands, and tropical vegetation thrive throughout the metropolitan area. Visitors arriving from northern Nigeria are often shocked by how green the city appears during the rainy season. Yet, Port Harcourt ranks 5th because urban development and industrial activity have significantly reduced portions of the historical green cover. The city remains green, but not as green as it once was. Still among Nigeria's largest metropolitan areas, Port Harcourt remains one of the country's most vegetation-rich urban centers. At number 4, we have Owerri, the Eastern Garden City. Many Nigerians underestimate how green Owerri truly is. The capital of Imo State has long been known as one of Nigeria's cleanest and most aesthetically pleasant cities. Urban planners in early decades invested heavily in landscape medians, tree planting, parks, and road beautification. The city benefits enormously from its location within the Rainforest transition zone. Rainfall remains high throughout much of the year. Vegetation grows rapidly. Trees flourish. Lawns remain green for extended periods. What makes Owerri unique is the balance between urban development and vegetation. Unlike larger megacities where concrete dominates the skylines, many areas of Owerri still remain significantly green. Buffer areas between residential and commercial development, hotels, estates, educational institutions, and government facilities frequently incorporate gardens and ornamental vegetation into their design. The surrounding communities also contribute to the city's green appearance. From elevated viewpoints, vast stretches of vegetation can still be observed surrounding the urban core. Owerri's greenery creates a cooler and more relaxed atmosphere compared to many densely built Nigerian cities. For this reason, it secures fourth place. At number 3, we have Calabar, Nigeria's rainforest capital. Few cities in Nigeria can rival Calabar when it comes to natural vegetation. Located in Cross River State, Calabar enjoys one of the wettest climates in the entire country. Annual rainfall is among the highest recorded in Nigeria. The city sits close to some of the country's most important rainforest ecosystems. This geographical advantage gives Calabar an extraordinary level of natural greenery. Visitors frequently notice the abundance of tree-lining roads and neighborhoods. The city has earned a reputation for cleanliness and environmental consciousness. Cross River State has historically championed conservation initiatives, including rainforest preservation efforts. Nearby forests support immense biodiversity, including rare plant and animal species. The surrounding rainforest landscape helps maintain the city's lush appearance year-round. Unlike many cities where greenery exists primarily in parks, Calabar's vegetation often feels integrated into urban environment itself. Even during periods of urban growth, the city has retained much of its natural character. This unique combination of rainforest ecology, high rainfall, and urban greenery places Calabar among Nigeria's greenest cities. At number 2, we have Abuja, the planned green capital. Many people are surprised to see Abuja ranked this high. After all, Abuja is located within Nigeria's savanna belt rather than the rainforest zone. But this ranking is not based solely on natural forest. It also considers urban planning, and when it comes to planned greenery, Abuja stands in a league of its own. The Federal Capital Territory was designed with extensive green belts, parks, landscaped corridors, and wide tree-lined boulevards. Unlike older Nigerian cities that developed organically, Abuja was master planned from the beginning. Large portions of land were intentionally reserved for green spaces. Government districts, residential areas, and major highways incorporate vegetation into the layouts. Satellite imagery consistently shows substantial green coverage throughout the city. The city's broad avenues and controlled development patterns prevent overwhelming concrete congestion found elsewhere. During the rainy season, Abuja transforms dramatically. Parks, grasslands, hills, and tree-lined roads create stunning landscapes. The city also benefits from surrounding natural features, including hills, valleys, and woodland vegetations. Although seasonal dry periods reduce greenery compared to rainforest cities, Abuja's commitment to planned green infrastructure makes it arguably Nigeria's best designed green city. The achievement earns it second place. Here we have it, the number 1 spot, Enugu, Nigeria's greenest city. Taking the top spot is the city of Enugu, known as the Coal City. Enugu possesses a unique combination of natural geography, climate, and vegetation. The city is surrounded by rolling hills, valleys, forests, and expansive green landscapes. Unlike many rapidly urbanizing Nigerian cities, Enugu still retains a remarkably green character. Scientific studies using GIS and remote sensing technologies have examined greenery within Enugu urban and confirmed that substantial vegetation remains present despite urban expansion. Researchers monitored green cover using NDVI and SAVI vegetation indices, demonstrating the importance of preserving Enugu's urban greenery. One reason Enugu stands out is its terrain. The hills create natural green backdrop across much of the city. Tree-covered slopes remain visible from numerous vantage points. Many residential districts contain mature trees and significant vegetations. Road corridors often feature greenery that softens urban environment. The climate also supports abundant plant growth. Combined with its elevation, Enugu enjoys a relatively pleasant environment compared with many lowland cities. The result is a city that feels remarkably green even within its developed areas. For travelers arriving from more densely built-up cities, Enugu often appears surprisingly lush. It successfully combines urban development with natural landscapes in a way few Nigerian cities have achieved. For these reasons, Enugu earns the title of the greenest city in Nigeria on this ranking. Port Harcourt, the garden city with significant urban forestry and rainforest vegetation. Owerri, a clean landscape city with abundant urban greenery. Calabar, Nigeria's rainforest city with exceptionally lush natural vegetation. Abuja, Nigeria's best planned green city with extensive parks and green belts. Enugu, the cold city combining hills, forest, urban greenery, and scenic vegetation. As Nigeria continues to urbanize, the importance of green cities cannot be overstated. Trees cool neighborhoods, vegetations improve air quality, green spaces support biodiversity, and perhaps most importantly, they make cities healthier and more beautiful places to live. The challenge for future generations will be preserving these green landscapes while accommodating population growth and economic development. Because once a city's trees disappear, restoring that natural heritage can take decades. And in a rapidly changing world, green cities may become one of the most valuable assets any nation can possess. So what do you think? Do you agree that Enugu deserves the number one spot? Or is there any other Nigerian city that should be on the list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more documentaries on Nigerian cities, infrastructure, culture, and development. Until next time, thank you for watching.